Today we're testing the new Bouge Rv Rocky 40 fridge. We're gonna take it to a little Elements gathering, and it's got a ton of space. Now I'm gonna bring us some nice cold drinks. And my idea is I'm gonna use this kind of like you would like an ice chest at a party, but now you don't have to buy ice. And see, in there it's even got like a little drain plug. So if you get like water in there or something, if you want to put ice, you can, and just drain it out through the back. And this thing is gigantic, so I think we can fit a ton of drinks in here. It's 40 quarts. And they come in 3 different sizes, so you can pick the one that works best for you. And the really cool thing about this one is that it has a external battery here, so you can actually run it off of a battery. So I can like unplug it and it'll still keep everything inside super cold. So that's really exciting. So we were able to fit 24 cans super easily. I could fit probably another 16 in here if I wanted to. Let's close that up. The design is super solid. It's like out of steel, so it's gonna hold the heat really well. There's even little cup holders on top. But yeah, when we get to the party, we'll unplug it and we'll see how long the battery lasts with just the internal battery pack. Should be fun. Let's head to the party. So if you guys are new here, this is actually my 6-speed Honda Element. We converted it maybe last year. It's been working great. We're headed over to Whittier right now for the Honda Element meetup, which should be super fun. I'm really excited to see everybody and show off the khaki car. I have not taken the khaki out in a long time, so it'll be fun to bring it out for everyone. This khaki Honda Element's super cool because it has 6 gears, which means we get really good gas mileage even with everything on the roof. Good for an Element, probably like 18 to 20, which is not bad with everything on the roof. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
57, okay?
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
This is the
That's
super hot.
mild, that's probably medium.
And this is like
those.
hot-ish. Sheree, do you want any?
Chef Element.
Seriously, look at this. Did you cook it?
I did.
Oh, how exciting. Thank you.
Nice work, dude. Thank you so much for doing that.
Dollar.
We couldn't go to bed last night until Joseph called 34.
Gracias.
De nada. That's nice.
Yeah, want to grab one?
Yes.
Go for it. Go crazy.
This is nice.
Yeah, it's battery powered.
Wow.
Yeah.
Let's see what I want. I'll get one of these right here.
There you go.
Nice and cold. Nice and cold.
Grab one.
Yeah, you're next.
Key lime.
Key lime, yeah. I like that.
Represent. Get a drink, bro.
Dude, yeah.
No beer.
No beer.
Just water. Healthy stuff.
Ooh, healthy stuff. What flavors do we have? Key lime.
What? Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna try this one. Wait, what is this? Oh,
Watermelon. Love watermelon.
They sent me the fridge, bro.
thank you. They sent you this fridge?
Yeah, Bouge Rv.
Wait,
They hooked it up.
wait, it has its own power source?
Yeah, it's battery operated.
What the hell?
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that's actually really cool.
Yeah. It lasts like a couple hours. What do you think?
I love it. It's
Sick, right?
Yeah.
You get tie downs if you want. I think there's tie downs on the side somewhere for like overlanding.
Too sweet.
Yeah, solid.